Say windows.
Windows
Are
are
going
going
in.
in.
Woohoo! So the windows have come. I got them from camperglass.co.uk and I got 2 back windows. I got the U-trim which will go around the cut edge. I got some cleaner, some primer and some adhesive. So it was just all off the same website and it came pretty quick to be honest. I ordered it on Friday and it came on Tuesday. Be prepared to watch me and Dad fumble for 10 minutes with this first one because we had no clue what we were doing and we did not have the right tools. Oh God. She's smoking.
Right.
Did it knack it or not? So we've got the first hole in. I spy. You're a little bit wonky, but it'll be fine. I know. I'm not criticising. I'm just saying. This bit's the worst. Literally, I was stood watching him thinking, what the hell are we doing? I'm gonna have to drive round with a hole in the side of my van or pay hundreds to get this fixed because there's no chance I'm gonna be able to do this. And he was thinking the exact same, but we were both just trying to be positive. And it does work out in the end, so keep watching. But for now, we realised we needed pilot holes. Got the pilot holes now.
You can't see the blade, that's the thing.
It'll be right.
No going back.
I don't know, when he did that first one, look at the state of it. Just drive around like that. Put some sellotape over it. So once again, I'm gonna say we had no clue what we were doing. So we were trying to put the U-trim on like the inside edge of the metal only, but then obviously it was just falling out. So we were like, oh, we're gonna have to put it on both sides so that it doesn't fall out and it's nice and secure and also it'll look nice and neat. Also, I forgot to mention that we actually took this off after putting it all on, and because my dad found a metal file, so we took it all off, filed it all down and then put the U-trim back on.
Oh. What's wrong with that?
Amazing. Thanks, Chloe.
First cup of tea in the van.
I know. Well, it is actually. So the windows come with a kit and it comes with a cleaner and a primer and then the adhesive. So we're going to go around with the cleaner to get any grease or whatever off, and then with the primer. And the primer goes literally all the way around, like as big as the glasses. Did you bring the gloves out or not?
No. We'll make one of the gloves.
Because you're just too hard.
You what?
Because you're too hard.
Right.
What? Oh my god.
When you first started it, I thought, Jesus Christ.
It was, you didn't see what it looked like on here. It was
Couldn't see that, couldn't see the blade.
Will that wipe off?
No.
Wiped off. So now my dad is going around the edges with a silicone gun and the adhesive that came with the kit. what he's doing is just squirting it out around the edge and making it proud, so that when we stick the glass over it, it squelches out and it makes a nice watertight seal around the edge. I did have a little go with it, but it surprisingly hurt your forearms quite a lot, so Big Bob does most of the jobs on this episode, I will admit.
So here she is, the final product. So I got a slidey one because I just thought it would be nice to have a sliding window just to let a little bit of fresh air in without having to open the doors. So now that one's done. It was a bit of a learning curve, but we got there in the end. So now that one's done, we now are going to put 2 in the booty. So it's pretty much just the same thing, apart from instead of using the reciprocating saw, we are going to use the angle grinder to do the straight lines, do the pilot holes again, which we did in the corners, and then use the reciprocating saw on the corners. So yeah, it's going to be beautiful, and she's going to be amazing.
Yeah, so basically we just did the same thing as the first window on these 2 back windows, so I won't really talk much. I mean, I do talk a little bit, but not too much, because it's literally just the same thing. So enjoy.
So you can see on this window that it's a lot neater than that one was, and I think the angle grinder just made it a lot easier to do nice straight edges, and them pilot holes are definitely a must to get around the edges as well. So now he's grinding the corners out with the angle grinder, even though you're not supposed to grind with the angle grinder, but I don't see nothing wrong with a little angle grinding.
Get off here, you go. Slam in here like that. No, but I'm doing this. And you go in and tap it in. Do it like we did before, and you hold that up over like that.
Daisy went all over my fingers. Smashing job. Dad. Dad. Why do you pretend that you're not bothered when you love it?